Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is June 2025, Patreon Part 7. We'll be looking at D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures for your 3D printing needs. This will probably be the last week for the STL for Patreon for June for this week, and we'll start July next week. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below if you have any questions or STL files or Patreon. Leave it down in the comments below as well. All the stuff to be looking at will be down below for you guys as well. So we got Eggman Studio. This is your welcome pack. Let's see here. We got our bonus already for Jill Stingray, and also our vote. And it looks like Farron keep on winning in many ways. No, oh well. 10C figure, another figure one. I think we already looked at some of these for it. This is this month's. You got Persona 4. The remake is coming out this year. I'll be playing the crap out of that because I'm a huge Megami Tensei fan. Funny thing is, I wasn't really big on Shin Megami Tensei until 20, 2016, 2017. I knew about it, but I haven't started playing it till then. So yeah, got Remy Sculpt. You got Joker, a whole bunch of stuff, figures. For that as well. The May girl. It looked like a slime like smoke coming out. We have Inari figures as well. This is Baltimore. That has been June released. And we're also ready for Noir and Nikki. Salt Sculpt, another figure one as well. There's your June. You get your previous month for that. Let's see, on Ulor, Hololive. I'm not really much into Hololive. I know a lot of people do watch it. Waifu Studio. A lot of loot figures, just letting you guys know. This is a good one. My 3D prints. This is World of Warcraft um, figures to use for D&D, or some proxies for your Warhammer if you can find the right one to proxy with. Let's see here. Where is the full length of it? Okay, this is what? Cull Titan. Okay. I don't know if I've ever actually been part of this dungeon or whatever. So it looks like what? Oh, this is the expansion when Jennifer forget Jenny I forgot that sorcerer's name. Home world, a home island most likely. I did not like a lot of the newer expansion of World of Warcraft. Tell you the truth, even the newest one that came out, I'm like, nah, I'm done with World of Warcraft. I like the figures. I like the older version of the classics that I played in the past. But yeah, I'm pretty much done. I spent thousands and thousands of dollars on World of Warcraft since the beginning. And yeah, now it's just sitting there in many ways. I might get back. I don't know. I need people to play it with. If it's just me playing it by myself, then I just get really bored very quick as well. I think the Dragonflight, whatever that thing's called, expansion was really bad too. It's not much of a good storytelling anyways. It's just try to scrape the bottom of the barrel as much as you can, in my opinion. I do like the chest though. Uh, we got Hell Creator. Let's go post. These are figures, and we can just refresh it. There we go. Looks a lot better. Previous, current, for it. We got a bonus one, X22 or X21. We got the fourth one released. Which one is this one? I don't know who she is. I think it's probably Expedition 33. Yeah, I have the game, but just haven't had a chance to play it. Emma Frost. I just really wish they made their boobs a lot bigger. Their hips are big, but in the comics, their boobs are huge. And it's from Dishonored 2. I played Dishonored 1, did not play 2. I owned the game. I just never had a chance to play it. Silco, don't know what the hell this is from. Mm, let's see here. Silco released just yesterday. Artist Prax. I really don't know where. From Arcanes. Uh, okay. This is a new starter pack that they have. Karlak. Um, Forgot that shooting game that Earth's greatest defender, Doom guy. Forgot this guy, Shanji, and this lady as well. Probably from Arcane as well. Their figures are really good. I printed some. I painted on this channel. But yeah, I like to paint Doom guy, but I want to print him huge. I mean, really, really big. If I'm going to do that, my Karlak is better. It's more bodacious in many ways. And the first model is this one as well. Blue Sky Minis. This is a part proxy, I would say. Uh, but if you guys are interested on orcs, this is the thing you want to do. Get for orcs for your army for Warhammer. They got a couple kill team stuff that you have: Luda, Gun Boys, Flame Boys, Spec Ops Boys. Then you can get the. I don't know if you get the last month one, but they have the truck. But usually they have stuff towards the end. There's a lot of the stuff that is for it. We're gonna skip the digital pinup. I'll put the link down for you guys. It's just loot stuff. If you're into loot figures, go for it. Go nuts. And I don't feel like getting demonetized right now. We got Cyberforge Mini. So we have like Warhammer proxies here. So it looks like on Nurgle, we got Cyberpunk and some terrains in many ways. So let's look at some Nurgle stuff. So Nurgle, look Marines, Plague Marines. I have couple, but I do want to buy the actual plastic kit and print some as well for it. And these are like the bug alien. You could probably use this for Spelljammer if you're really interested in that as well. And you can probably get these into like Poxwalkers proxy for it. And you get your little terrain that you can use for your game. Flesh of God. This is like a grim dark style D&D miniatures. These are like Elden Ring or Dark Souls type miniature. If you're into like grim dark style games, for your anniversary, you're gonna get a Hydra looking Cerberus, Elemental Cataclysm. Then you got the Plaguers. So we're gonna get some Gargantuan enemy, the Rot Father. Probably gonna print this for my campaign because a lot of my campaign right now is going to be mushroom and fungal and rot like Papa Nurgle. Fungal Task, Serpent Folk, Brood Mother, Spirit Naga, and Vaskok Harbringer. We got medium enemies: Medusa, Pure Blood Alchemist, Half Blood Warrior, Pure Blood Alchemist. We got some Yantis. Uh, Half Blood, Spore Servants, and Micronids Shaman. The heroes NPCs. Some pretty good. We got some lot of Plague Doctors. It looks like it. And you got the bust. You got your throwbacks. That's just Scorpion Wyvern. That's actually pretty cool looking. Insectoid Oni, a Lady of Rot and Decay. And that is it for that. Probably have time for one more. This is mini for D&D that like Spelljammers, and they make a lot of Spelljammer ships in this Patreon. Looks like June release is going to be dinosaurs, or mutated looking dinosaurs in many ways. If it loads, there we go. So we got a ship, Armageddon class freight. We got a little baby Cyclonauts Tyrannosaurus, so like little T Rex. We got Stegosaurus. We got Pterodactyl. Tranorex, so a T-Rex and a Triceratops together. I don't know how to pronounce that. Compy Swarms and Atrosaurus. Actually, probably would like to get some of that. We got the T-Rex that is covered in vines. Looks like the one from Santa Monica. There's a little mall strip of dinosaur that's made out of like wires and vines growing all over it. So yeah, got a lot of stuff that is going to be here for that. That's actually pretty cool. If you're into dinosaurs, Spelljammer, different worldling style things, or like some mad scientist or a wizard gone crazy making these things, and you have a little campaign out of that. Well, anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our page in Discord. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day.